Chief Justice David Maraga has opposed the executive order issued by President Uhuru Kenyatta, placing certain functions of the Judicial Service Commission under a state department. Maraga says the move is an assault on the independence of the judiciary. But as NTV's Silas Apollo reports, the executive insists the actions taken by the president were legal.
In a statement issued shortly after President Uhuru Kenyatta made public an executive order restructuring certain functions of the executive, Chief Justice David Maraga is once more accusing the head of state of meddling in the affairs of the judiciary. Maraga says the actions by President Kenyatta, especially that of placing certain functions of the Judicial Service Commission under State Department, are appalling. JSC, according to Maraga, is an independent institution under the judiciary. The Chief Justice says the order cannot restructure or assign functions of an independent arm of government that is also a co-equal of the other, as the operations of the judiciary have never been and cannot be the subject of an executive order. President Kenyatta had in the Executive Order No. 2 of 2020 assigned functions among ministries and state departments, part of which included the Judicial Service Commission. The order also specifies functions of constitutional commissions, independent offices, the judiciary and parliament. But in a quick rejoinder, Attorney General Paul Kihara dismissed the accusations by Maraga, insisting that the order had in no way interfered with the functions or the independence of the judiciary. Kihara says an executive order by its nature cannot restructure or assign functions to the other co-equals, co-substantials and independent arms of government, such as the judiciary and, by extension, the Judicial Service Commission. He adds that the order issued by the president neither assigned nor attempted to transfer any functions of the judiciary or any other arm of government whatsoever. As such, says Kihara, the allegations by Maraga are not just based on the misrepresentation of the order but are also incorrect. This back and forth highlights what has been the strenuous relationship between the two arms of government, with the judiciary accusing the executive of muzzling its independence. From a failure by the president to appoint judges to accusation of budget cuts, the Maraga-led team has consistently painted the executive as one whose only aim is to intimidate and dominate the order irrespective of the law. Pundits now say that for the two to coexist, there is need for both to understand their roles as dictated by the Constitution.
I don't think it takes away the independence of the judiciary at all. I don't think it changes their functions. If you read the functions, they are the ones in the Constitution, including, in fact, even all other constitutional commissions are in that order.
Whether this tug of war will continue or stop, what is clear is that the bickering and the chest thumping between the two will only serve in eroding gains brought about by the Constitution. Silas Apollo, NTV.